Hey guys, I'm back with the final run of testing for our Floetrol Cell Activator experiments. In this series, we've been testing out various additives in Floetrol-based acrylic paint pours to see what creates the best cells. In all, we've gone over 16 different additives. Today I'm bringing you the combination of the last 3 silicone oils and the Rain-X glass water repellent in one pour. I've had a little bit of paint left over at the end of each experiment, so instead of wasting it, I decided to do combination pours for each set. If you're new to my channel, I'll leave a link to the previous experiments in the description below so you can check them out. Just to recap though, I'm using the same pouring medium, colors, and method throughout all of the testing. I have a pouring medium mix of about 90% Floetrol to 10% GAC 800. I like adding the GAC to help prevent cracking as the paint dries, but it isn't totally necessary if you don't have it. The colors I'm using are Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Pyrrole Red, and Ultramarine Blue. For the base, I'm using Amsterdam and Titanium White. Each color except the white base has 2 drops of the additive being tested mixed in before pouring. For the method, I chose a flip cup. This method layers the colors on top of each other into a separate cup, and then that cup is flipped over onto the canvas. I like to let the cup sit for around 20 to 30 seconds before lifting up. This will give the paints time to mix and form cells. Unsurprisingly, this pour was really active. The combination of the Super Lube, 3-in-1, and OGX silicone oils with the even more active Rain-X created a lot of movement. This was one of the few that had a lot of residue left over on it when it was dry. It would need to be cleaned extra well before a finishing coat could be applied. I really love the bright little rainbow areas on the side of the canvas. It's extra vibrant compared to the darkness of the rest of the painting. Usually when I do combination pours like this, it's fun to try and pick out which activator created certain areas. With this one, I had a really hard time picking them out. Alright guys, this was our final experiment for our Floetrol-based cell activators. In the next video, we'll take a look at all 20 canvases side by side with a control to see which ones are your favorites. Yes, we only tested 16 additives, but each set of 4 also had a combination pour to go along with it, so I'll throw those in to compare too. That's it from me guys. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!